Good morning, distinguished professors. My name is Hpa-an, or you can call me Rella. That's my English name. I'm come from Chongqing. It is a city sits in Tianjin, China. My major is communication arts. Nice to meet you, everyone. When it comes to my personality, I would say that I'm very outgoing and positive girl, and a little bit adventurous. Because I'm always willing to try something that I never tried before, no matter what the result is. Now I think it is time for me to jump out of my comfort zone, to meet from different culture students, learn more different culture as well. And this is also part of the reason to me to apply to this program. Last semester, I successfully applied for the language center group leader and helped the Burmese student on behalf of my team members. When I'm not studying, I like to write in calligraphy. This is one of the traditional Chinese culture. I also hope to bring it to everyone in the future. That's all for today's introduction. I hope all professors and teachers like me and support my development. I will make the trend of my future become more and more obvious and make it no longer sleep. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye.